You've probably drunk Red Bull many times, but have you ever wondered how it's actually made? Come with me and I'll show you the entire process inside this factory. This is where millions of cans of Red Bull are produced every day in a highly automated beverage factory, combining science, precision engineering, and strict quality control. The process begins with carefully selected raw ingredients such as purified water, sugar, caffeine, taurine, and B vitamins, all delivered and inspected before production begins. First, large quantities of water pass through advanced filtration and purification systems to remove impurities and create the perfect base for the energy drink. Next, essential ingredients like taurine and caffeine are carefully measured using high-precision dosing systems to guarantee the exact formula. Inside large stainless steel mixing tanks, the ingredients are blended together into a uniform energy drink mixture. Before mass production continues, samples of the mixture are tested in the factory laboratory to verify the exact balance of ingredients and ensure the flavor profile meets strict standards. The drink is then pasteurized, a controlled heating process that eliminates unwanted microorganisms while preserving the drink's flavor and quality. After pasteurization, the liquid is rapidly cooled to stabilize the mixture and prepare it for the next stage of production. Engineers carefully monitor carbonation levels to ensure every can has the same refreshing fizz. Sugar is then dissolved into the mixture, creating the signature sweet flavor that balances the drink's energy-boosting ingredients. Once the ingredients are blended, powerful pumps move the liquid through sealed pipes to the next stage of the production process. Carbon dioxide is injected into the drink to create the refreshing carbonation that gives Red Bull its distinctive fizz. Meanwhile, aluminum sheets are transformed into lightweight beverage cans using high-speed metal forming machines. Before filling, each can is thoroughly cleaned and sterilized to maintain the highest hygiene standards. After cleaning, the empty cans travel along high-speed conveyor systems toward the automated filling stations. Advanced filling machines pour the energy drink into each can with incredible speed and accuracy. Next, aluminum lids are placed onto the cans and sealed using high-pressure equipment. This sealing process locks the drink inside while preserving its carbonation and freshness. The cans are then cooled to stabilize the drink before moving on to labeling. At the same time, aluminum lids are produced and sorted to match the speed of the filling lines. High-pressure metal presses shape thin aluminum sheets into lightweight beverage cans. After washing, the cans are dried with warm filtered air before entering the filling stage. Automated laser inspection systems scan every can to detect even the smallest defects. Modern beverage factories use rotary filling systems capable of filling thousands of cans every minute. Sensors measure the exact liquid level in every can to maintain perfect consistency. A small dose of nitrogen is sometimes added to maintain pressure and preserve freshness inside the sealed can. The lids are sealed instantly using high-speed mechanical rollers that create an airtight closure. After sealing, the cans are cooled and rinsed to stabilize the beverage inside. After sealing, the cans are cooled and rinsed to stabilize the beverage inside. Automated conveyor systems transport the finished cans efficiently through the factory. Every can receives a production code so it can be traced and tracked for quality assurance. Packaging machines organize the cans into convenient multi-packs for distribution. Next, the iconic Red Bull branding is applied to each can. Next, the famous blue and silver Red Bull design is applied to every can. Automated inspection systems check every can for defects, ensuring strict quality standards. Once approved, robotic packaging machines group the cans into trays and multi-packs ready for shipping. From raw ingredients to the final chilled can, every step of the process is carefully engineered to deliver the energy boost millions rely on every day. Heat shrink wrapping secures the cans together, preparing them for shipment.
Robotic palletizing systems stack the finished products quickly and efficiently.
The finished cans are stored in large warehouses before being shipped around the world.